Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will provide you with help to remove the online scam, the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Lecurnit.xyz. Lecurnit.xyz is a dangerous site. Right now it targets Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. It tries to make you actually download and install some potentially unwanted applications. One thing I know for sure is that you need to disregard these deceptive pop-ups by Lecurnit.xyz. Don't trust them and leave this page. I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. And the best place where you can get it is on the site combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and once it gets installed, start researching your computer with its help to detect and remove other threats fully from your device. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode. And only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.